stuck. Let's see how you can stop me.
Check this out. Oops.
I'll come back.
Whew! The town is finally safe. Oh no! It's a nest! I have an idea. Let's go get the super construction team to help us. Loader, crane, and excavator. Our town has been damaged. It needs help. Got it. Super construction team, go!
How can I be left out of the rescue?
Look! A big tree is blocking the road! We can't get through! The monster is causing trouble again! Leave it to us! Wow! We need to remove the big tree! Wait, I'll try! Let's tie up the tree with a rope first. The crane boom can lift the heavy tree. There's a lot of debris. Which construction? Let me do it. Use the bucket to remove the debris. There's a puppy under the debris. Let's go rescue it. I'm stuck in the mud. I can't move. Puppy, I'll get you out of there.
Kids! I'm here.
Grandpa Excavator, how come you don't get stuck in the mud?
Of course. That's because I have tracked wheels. Regular wheels will get stuck in the mud, but tracked wheels can grip the ground firmly and move steadily.
The puppy is still trapped under there. Let's go rescue it.
Hop in.
Move the handle left and right to make the attack. Press the bucket can't move the giant rock.
I have 3 types of attachments. Each of them can solve a different problem.
Now the rocket breaker. Move the handle left and press the button, and the breaker is so strong it can break the rock. There's a lot of broken stones. Bucket. Move the handle and get the bucket moving. The bucket is like a big spoon that can scoop up a lot of stones. The puppy is at the bottom. Let's see which attacks grapple. Move the handle to catch the cage and say the grapple is like a big hand that can grab things on the ground. Tap on the cage to free the puppy.
Finally, we got the puppy out!
Great! Thanks to the construction team! Let's give them awards! First, it is the Strongman Award! Which one is the strongest and can remove the big tree? Which one is the strongest and can... Nope! Think again! Ta-da! The Strongman Award goes to Crane! Next up, the Magical Hand Award. It lifts a pile of stones with its big hand. Who is that? It goes to Loader. And finally, it's our All-Around Star Award. Which vehicle has many functions and is not afraid? Is the Excavator. Quacky, the most awesome hero award. Quack, 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 quack.
Hero Quacky, come wash your hands and get ready for dinner.
I'm coming!
Super Truck Team, huddle! I'm the excavator, and I'm good at digging. I'm a crane. I'm very strong. I'm the bulldozer. I'm an expert at pushing the dirt. Dump truck, road roller, concrete mixer. We're Super Truck Team. We're not afraid of difficulties and are ready for challenges.
Wow! So many treasure chests!
Find all the treasure chests and you'll get a mysterious gift.
I want it! I want it! Quacky will find all the treasure chests! Found it!
Answer the questions correctly to open the treasure chest. How can an excavator move steadily on muddy ground? Excavators move slowly. The excavator's wheels are tracked wheels. Excavators are very heavy. Correct! Tracked wheels help excavators move steadily on the mud. If you use regular wheels, they will get stuck in the mud and slip. Congratulations, you got a piece! Keep going!
Found it!
Why do excavators have different attachments? Because attachments can get damaged easily. Different attachments are used to handle different tasks. To make the attachments more powerful. Correct! The excavator needs to change its attachments for different tasks. To remove a giant rock, it first uses a breaker to smash it into smaller pieces. Then it can clean them up. Congratulations, you got a piece! Keep going!
Found it!
What can the crane boom do? It can lift very heavy things. It can help kids catch dolls. It can clean up the small stones on the ground quickly. Correct! The crane boom can lift heavy things and move them to another place. Great! You've got all the pieces! Put the pieces together.
What a cool excavator! Come on, let's go!
The treasure hunt has ended. Come back next time.
Quack, 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 quack.